एक ये परमिशन तो हम लोगों ने पहले भी नोटिस दिया था कि इतना ज़्यादा क्राउड, बिल्कुल भी सिक्योरिटी थ्रेट था यहाँ पर। जितने लोग, कोई भी आके कोई इस तरह की घटना कर सकता था जिसमें बहुत बड़ी जान माल की हानि हो सकती थी। तो इनको आज हमने कहा कि आपकी परमिशन कैंसिल कर दी गई है और आप कृपया करके इस इलाके को खाली कर दें। बाबा रामदेव को कहा कि आपको डिटेन किया जाता है, लेकिन वो तब तक उन्होंने एकदम से पुलिस ने, क्योंकि कोई यूज़ ऑफ फोर्स नहीं किया शुरू में किसी तरह का भी, जब तक थोड़ा सा हमने टीयर गैस शेल्स चलाई हैं, जब लोगों ने काफ़ी पथराव किया, लेकिन किसी तरह का यूज़ ऑफ फोर्स नहीं था। लेकिन बाबा ने अपने को शील्ड किया विमेन वॉलंटियर्स के साथ, तो और फिर उसके बाद करके वो अब इस इलाके से चले गए और यहाँ से लोग काफ़ी डिस्पर्स
कहाँ उनको लेकर जाया गया है?
नहीं, हम लोगों ने उनको डिटेन नहीं किया है, वो अपने आप ही यहाँ से डिस्पर्स हो गए।
सर, ये भी कहा जा रहा है जो बाबा के समर्थक हैं कि आप जो है दिल्ली पुलिस के ऊपर दबाव है, इसके कारण दिल्ली पुलिस नहीं,
कोई दबाव नहीं है, हमारा पहले का फैसला है। आपको पता भी है कि हमने इनको नोटिस भी दिया था कि आपने जो हमारी कंडीशंस हैं वो बिल्कुल नहीं मानी है। ये 5,000 की बात हुई थी, 50-60 हज़ार तक लोग ले आए, और जिस तरह की घटना पहले अभी हाई कोर्ट में भी हुई है, कोई यहाँ पर कोई बड़ी घटना का अंदेशा हो सकता था। काफ़ी सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न्स थी हमारी, और इतनी बड़ी संख्या में और इस तरह की गैदरिंग परमिट नहीं की जा सकती।
ये चूज किया गया, ये बताइए सर प्लीज।
The police commissioner there saying that the police were forced to use tear gas and lathi charge because there was stone pelting against them. Here are some more shots of the police trying to take out women supporters. We do know that Baba Ramdev had been surrounded by women would look like a human chain, in fact, to try and protect him from the security personnel. Home Ministry officials also saying that he's been detained and is being taken to Hardwar, in the process of being taken to Hardwar. We're not sure how that will be done, but earlier reports had suggested that only an externment notice had been served against him, which means that he could not be present in the capital. But now Home Ministry officials are saying he was detained while trying to evade the police. These are pictures there of the police taking action after stones were thrown by Ramdev supporters on them as they tried to halt proceedings there at the Ram Leela grounds. And these are pictures just moments before Baba Ramdev was forced to leave the Ram Leela grounds. You could see him there briefly running on the stage while other officials try to forcibly evict him. Let's also get Siddharth Ranjan Das just after. This is him reporting just after the lathi charge took place.
It's about 2:05 in the morning, and you can see Baba Ramdev, after 1 hour of evading any contact with the police, is now inside the human chain on the stage where Baba Ramdev is there. People are here who are bowing their heads and hands saying that do not arrest Baba Ramdev, and here is the police who has not been successful for about an hour to get their hands on Baba Ramdev. The police now is busy making the strategy as to how to go about it. As you can see, the RAF in big numbers have come. Force has been used by the police on all the devotees, the followers who have come. Baba somehow has managed to go back to stage again after a dramatic jump from the stage when the police arrived 1 hour ago. It's still unclear whether Babaji will give in to the police or not. But right now, as you can see, the devotees are pleading the police not to arrest Baba. Police is here in large number, from senior to the junior, and also a lot of RAF officials have come all ready to take Baba in. Right now the police is not confirming whether Baba will be detained or arrested, but certainly the aggression, seeing them, they are not willing to return without taking Baba from the Ram Leela Maidan. With camera person Sanjay Kaushik, Siddharth Ranjan Das for NDTV.